Hi, I'm Harper.
Ciao, I'm Eva.
Today we're making a dish that's a mystery to me, but I'm getting kind of excited looking at the ingredients in front of me. It kind of seems like my sort of thing.
Harper, this dish is from one of my favorite Italian region, which means it's from Puglia.
You could have said almost any region and I would have been like, yep.
This dish is called in Italian Bombette Pugliesi. And I know that all my Appulian friends, they are very excited just by the name because this is an amazing traditional recipe from Puglia.
What does bombette mean?
Small bombs.
Small bombs.
Small bombs.
Appulian bombs.
Appulian small bombs.
I'm intrigued. Before we get started, a quick shout out to a pasta grammarian in action.
Gianna, you made an excellent nduja toast, and I'm so proud of you because nduja is part of me and my family and my country. So thank you so much, Joanne.
It's one of my favorite dishes. Everyone who's watched this channel knows how much I love nduja. You can check out that video here. If you want to become a pasta grammarian, then hit that subscribe button. And let's get cooking.
To make our bombette pugliesi, what we need?
I'll start easy. We've got salt and parsley. Here's where things get interesting. We've got some like thin pork cutlets.
We are going to use pork meat because traditionally they use pork meat. But if you don't want to use pork but want to use beef or veal, yes, they can work.
We also have some bacon or pancetta.
We have here in America bacon, yes.
And here we have some cheese, and I know what this is. This is provolone, straight from Italy, but it's worth mentioning that this is nothing like the provolone you will get in America.
No, this is a very sharp cheese. So, what you need is a sharp cheese to do this recipe. So don't go and buy the American provolone that has nothing to do with sharpness. We need to start from the meat.
Okay.
And we are going to use this.
Yes.
But this time I don't say anything about what you have to do because last time that I mentioned this action I was in trouble. How do you say battere la carne? Beat the meat? You know what you have to do with this.
Yes, I'm going to tenderize the meat. Just one of these whole at a time?
See, and Harper, gentle, because we don't need to destroy our meat. We need just to make it flatter, thinner. You seem an expert of doing this action that I will not mention for the rest of the video. See, stop, Harper. Now maybe we need to check if the meat is enough thin. All our meat should be like that.
Well, I'll save you guys having to watch me tenderize all of the meat, so we'll be back in just a moment when I'm done with it all. And our meat is ready.
Now that our meat is ready, Harper, the next step is to cut some cheese. So we will need like a piece of cheese, more or less like that.
Something like that?
Something like that. We need also to stuff our bombette pugliese with some bacon. Then I think that the bacon should be like this, big like that, so it shouldn't touch the edges of the meat.
So maybe if I like cut it here.
This should work. Take a piece of cheese. Okay. Take also one leaves of parsley. Yes.
Just like that?
Perfecto.
Okay.
Close it.
Like a braciole?
You know already.
It's like a braciole. That's what you do. It's kind of like a burrito. A little burrito.
A little burrito. An Appulian meat burrito.
Like that?
Like that, Harper.
Okay, I can see why you call these bombettes. Bombette.
And we are going to close it with two stuzzicadenti. How do you call these in English?
Toothpicks.
Perfetto. In Italian is stuzzicadenti.
I just stick them
Close,
through?
yes, but be sure that you close all. This is a bombetta pugliese. And we need to do this with all the rest of the meat. when we will go back to Italy, I can take you to Puglia. And maybe you
I'll
can
teach
apply.
those Pugliesi how to make bombette. Bombette.
You can apply for a job over there.
Maybe the like English name for these could be like Appulian pork poppers. When they end up on the Olive Garden menu, they'll be called Appulian pork poppers. Mark my words.
Now, our bombette pugliesi are ready. You stuff them, but the problem is that we need to cook them.
I hope so.
Traditionally, they are grilled on the fire. But we don't have a fire, not here in the kitchen. We are going to cook the bombette pugliesi here. So, Harper, it's very important to, how do you say, heat it up?
Heat it up.
Heat it up, yes. I'm becoming a master in English, but very, very hot, very high heat. I suggest to put a drop of olive oil. In Puglia, these bombette pugliesi, they are considered a street food. I don't know, when you walk through the street of, I don't know, Bari, Lecce or Taranto, you have these small trucks that they make bombette pugliesi. So you go and take and you eat while you are walking. It's a very good idea for a street food. Now it's hot enough because, as you can see,
Yeah, the oil's starting to smoke.
Start to smoke. So take the bombette pugliesi and put there.
Okay, it's right on.
See, go. Woo. So now after we need to cook them as we are grilling them. Because you are a master of meat, of grilling meat. Perfect, so you can turn now. Be sure that they are cooked the whole way through, because while they are cooking, Harper, you can also use some salt, because remember, we didn't use salt. Not too much, because otherwise cheese and bacon, they are enough salty, but a little bit.
This is cool. I don't think you and I have ever like grilled for a recipe.
No, maybe no. Using the tongue, for example, you see there, it's all red still, it's all pink, so you could do also something like that.
Oh, okay. Beware, things are gonna get smoky.
See, Harper, we are grilling inside, so yes. But the smell, it's amazing. So, Harper, 2 of them are pretty much done, the smaller one, so you can take them out.
Okay. Okay, let's eat. Time to pop this Appulian pork popper into my mouth.
So, Harper, buon appetito!
Buon appetito. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but bacon, cheese, pork, what's not to like?
That is amazing.
I love these street food recipes. Guys, give this recipe a shot and bonus points if you grill them outside. We'd love to see a picture if you do. Tag us on Instagram or Facebook @PastaGrammar. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
Ciao.